Gala Games is secretly preparing for a massive move towards the upside, and in this video I will tell you exactly what I mean by that. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. In this one we are going to be taking a look at Gala Games once again because some important information has been coming from Gala team, and I personally believe that this is really bullish for Gala in the shorter time frames as well as in the longer time frames. By the way guys, if this is your first time on the channel, make sure you guys drop a like on this video and also subscribe if you are new because that will be really appreciated. Anyways, with that being said, let's jump back into the video and let me show you all the things which I'm talking about. If you want to make some serious money with crypto, My Trade Signal Group is the best place for you to be. Right over here you can see the monthly recap for the month of April, and this includes all the profits which we had taken and which we had achieved in the month of April. Right over here you can see we took 12 trades in total and our average win percentage was really high at about 100%. In here you can see we secure profits of about 189%, 303%, 182%, 237%, and the list goes on and on. If you want to make similar profits for yourself, make sure you guys check out the link to My Trade Signal Group. It will be down in the description and sign up as soon as possible. So guys, before I show you the important information which I'm talking about, let me just first tell you that right now we are holding this important support level on the Gala price chart. As you can see, we have been consolidating in this range for like about 1 or 2 weeks now, and it's really good to see that we are not really dropping down, and this support level for Gala is holding pretty strong. The immediate next resistance level for Gala to break is this price point right over here, or say this blue line right over here at a price of about 0.050. Only if we break this support level, I do expect some momentum towards the upside, and maybe we even break this wave 1 high of about 0.063. Anyways, now guys, let me show you the important information which I was talking about in the starting. So guys, right over here you can see that Gala Games is basically launching another game, and this time it's a poker game. Now, for those of you who don't already know, poker is one of the most played games in online gambling, and basically people like to play poker for, let's say, hours, tens of hours, hundreds of hours, if not thousands of hours. Right over here you can see that Gala Games has started working on a poker game, which is really bullish for the project in general, because basically I personally believe that if Gala basically implements this, basically players are going to be buying chips in terms of Gala Games, and they're going to be spending it on basically poker, which is really good to see. The overall transaction piece will be pretty good for Gala as well, which is really good to see. Now I know a lot of people might be thinking that this is no big news. I mean, Gala has been launching games left and right, so why is this game launching a really big news for Gala? Well guys, before I move to that, I just want to tell you that right now this game hasn't really launched at all. Right now the status is in development, and I personally believe that it will be developed really soon, and I'm also looking forward to it. It is also on the browser, iOS devices, and also on the Android devices, which is really good because the majority of the people prefer iOS and Android devices instead of playing on their web browsers or instead of playing on their PCs and on their laptops. Anyways, now guys, let me show you some important information right over here, which will be showing you why Gala Games launching this poker game is really interesting. So guys, right over here you can see the US online gambling market. Now this is not the worldwide gambling market, this is only the US online gambling market. Now if you check out the blue zones right over here, that basically tells us about pokers and casinos. Gala's casino will only be having poker, so that's why we're going to be taking the blue zone of that as it is. Now guys, in 2020, the US online gambling market was roughly worth about $8.7 billion. In 2021, this market went up by about 12%, and we reached about $9.5 billion in market cap. And as you can see that it is growing every single year by 12%, which if you guys don't already know, it's really huge, because even if the S&P moves like 12% towards the upside, and the US gambling market is also moving 12% towards the upside. I mean, this just shows you that a lot of people are really interested in playing poker from their phones, or basically gambling from their phones. Now, when Gala launches this platform, a lot of people who are basically 18 to about 30 years old, this is the average, member of a crypto community, he or she is going to be playing poker, and they're going to be spending some monies on Gala's poker game. I personally believe that is when Gala is going to be getting some huge amounts of money. Now, if you guys don't believe me, you can just search for poker apps on your app store or on the iOS devices, and you will be able to see that these poker companies, or say these poker apps, have tons of reviews, they have millions of downloads. And because this is only because of the fact that people love to play poker and people love to gamble, and Gala Games is basically giving all the people that exactly. And I personally believe this is a really good move from Gala teams in general. By the way, guys, if you want to make some serious money with crypto, make sure you guys check out my trade signal group. The link to it will be down in the description. Now guys, in my trade signal group, I post my personal trade setups just like this one right over here, which can help you earn some quick amount of money in the shortest amount of time. Right over here, this is an example of a trade which we had taken on the 24th, and as you can see, we took this trade on 24th and we closed this trade on 24th as well and achieved a profit of about 96%. Right over here, you can see that on a trade signal, you will be able to see what type of position I'm taking, the risk factor involved, the token which I'm personally trading, and the leverage I'm using, entry prices, and also the target prices where you guys should be aiming to take your profits at. Now guys, if I scroll above, you will be able to see that we have been locking profits left and right. Right over here, you can see we lock profits of 166%, profits of 356%, profits of 129%, and the list goes on and on and on. If you guys want to be one of those lucky members to join in, make sure you guys join my trade signal group as soon as possible. The link to it will be down in the description. As of this moment, only 3 spots are remaining. So if you guys want to be one of the lucky ones to join my trade signal group, and if you want to earn money with me, make sure you guys sign up as soon as possible, and I'll catch you inside my trade signal group. Peace out.